Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this blow dryer right here. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So it is by this brand right here, and it says high-speed brushless motor, automatic security protection, leakage protection plug. So it does come with a card if you're wanting to give it as a gift. It definitely, you can do that with this. It has your user manual right here. This is what the blow dryer itself looks like. I'm going to take off all these plastics. So it comes with this right here, and all you'll do is push it in like so, and you're good to go. It has this little cord strap thing so that you can keep the cord nice and intact. It has this, I forgot what this is called, but it's so that it'll automatically kick the thing off if it needs to. If you want to clean this out, you'll just push this over here, and then you can clean out this filter right here. But let's go ahead and see what this looks like in use. So you turn it on, and then you turn up the airflow like that. And then this is your cold and hot. You can switch back and forth right there. And it has 3 different modes, which you'll be able to see right here. So it has red, blue, and orange. So I'm going to leave it on red. And as you can see, that's what it looks like. Did a really good job. And like I said, it does have the 3 heat modes. And then you just turn up the airflow right there, and then this is your on and off. So super easy to use, and it works great. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.